And the shops, are they bigger or smaller?
Sekarang, mari kita berlatih. Coba ucapkan kalimat-kalimat berikut sesudah Chris. Siap?
Are the streets wider than Sydney's streets? Are the buildings taller? Are the streets wider? Are the shops smaller? Are the houses bigger? Are the streets noisier? Is the traffic heavier?
Saudara pendengar, sekarang akan kami berikan keterangan singkat tentang kedua cara yang berbeda dalam membuat perbandingan. Cara mana yang dipakai tergantung pada kata keadaan yang kita pergunakan. Coba dengarkan.
I'm talkative. I'm more talkative than Ewan. Helen's short. She's shorter than Ewan. Talkative. More talkative. Short. Shorter.
Dalam contoh-contoh tadi, apakah saudara dapat melihat perbedaan dalam panjangnya kata-kata keadaan yang dipakai?
Talkative. Short.
Kalau kita memakai kata keadaan yang pendek dalam perbandingan, kita tambahkan bunyi pada akhir kata keadaan itu.
Short. Shorter. Wide. Wider. This street is wider than that street.
Kalau kata keadaan itu panjang, seperti misalnya,
Talkative.
kita pakai kata
More.
di muka kata keadaan itu. Misalnya,
Talkative. More talkative. Expensive. More expensive. Fruit's more expensive in Sydney than in Jakarta.
coba ucapkan beberapa kalimat sesudah Chris.
Jakarta's hotter than Sydney. Ewan's more talkative than Helen.
Baiklah, saudara-saudara. Saudara pendengar, Chris dan Iwan telah membicarakan tentang Sydney dan Jakarta. Chris merasa sangat gembira dengan ajakan Iwan. Tetapi ada hal lain lagi yang dipikirkannya. Dan dia akan menerangkannya kepada Jane. Coba dengarkan.
Chris, Iwan told me about your trip to Indonesia at the end of the year. Are you excited?
Yes, I am, Jane, but...
It's a wonderful opportunity. You can meet Iwan's family and see a new country.
Yes, I know, Jane, but...
But what, Chris?
I planned to buy an old car at Christmas. You know, I saved some money from my job and I could borrow some money from Dad, and I wanted to work during the long vacation.
But a visit to Indonesia's more exciting than an old car, Chris.
I know, Jane.
Well, can you buy an old car and go to Indonesia too?
No, I can't.
Saudara pendengar, Chris sangat gembira akan pergi ke Indonesia selama liburan panjang. Tetapi dia agak kecewa karena dengan demikian tidak dapat bekerja selama liburan itu untuk mendapat uang guna membeli mobil. Jane menyarankan agar dia membeli sepeda motor karena lebih murah dan lebih hemat.
What about a motorbike?
Eh? What do you mean?
Well, a motorbike's cheaper than a car. And it's more economical too.
Yes, that's true.
And a motorbike's more useful. You know, in traffic it's smaller than a car, and it doesn't use much petrol.
I know, Jane, but there are a lot of problems with motorbikes. You know, when it rains or when there's a lot of heavy traffic.
Chris dan Jane akan terus berbicara tentang sepeda motor dan mobil dan membandingkan keduanya untuk mencari persamaan antara kedua kendaraan itu. Chris akan mengatakan bahwa mobil tua sama murahnya dengan sepeda motor. Coba dengarkan.
An old car is as cheap as a motorbike. As cheap as.
Jadi kita pakai kata
As.
kemudian kata keadaannya menjadi
As cheap.
dan kemudian kata
As cheap as. As cheap as. An old car is as cheap as a motorbike.
Chris is as old as Ewan. Chris is 20 and Ewan's 20. Ewan's as old as Chris.
Dan bila Iwan dan Chris memikirkan perjalanan ke Indonesia pada akhir tahun, mereka keduanya sama-sama gembira.
Ewan's as excited as Chris. Chris is as excited as Ewan.
Baiklah, sekarang coba ucapkan kalimat seluruhnya sesudah Jane.
Chris is as old as Ewan. Ewan's as old as Chris. Chris is as excited as Ewan.
Saudara pendengar, ungkapan-ungkapan tadi dapat juga kita pakai dalam pertanyaan. Sekarang, Jane akan bertanya kepada Chris, apakah sepeda motor seaman mobil? Coba dengarkan.
Is a motorbike as safe as a car?
Sekarang, coba saudara ulangi pertanyaan-pertanyaan Jane berikut ini. Jangan lupa bahwa lagu kalimat tanya berbeda. Siap?
Is it as safe as a car? Is it as cheap as a car? Is it as noisy as a car? Is it as dangerous as a car?
Baiklah. Saudara sudah berlatih mengajukan